Now we will be finding the inverse of the function f of x is equals 1 by 2 x square plus 8x. Okay, here x is greater or equal to 0, like it is defined. Now we will take this as y is equals to 1 by 2 x square plus 8x. Now we have to represent this as in terms of x fully, but we don't know how to. Simply transpose things. How we can transpose means this can be represented as the 0 is equal to y 0. See, 1 by 2 x square plus 8x is minus y equals 0. What I did? Simply transpose this y to the other side, that equated to 0. Now, to get the value of x, we have to solve this quadratic equation. To solve the quadratic equation, like in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals 0, the x value is given by minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where this a, b, c are all coefficients. So that like here also we have to find the coefficients. Simple. See, here what is the value of a when we compare? Coefficient means co means company. Who accompanies x square? That is a. Who accompanies x square here? 1 by 2. Likewise, we compare. A is 1 by 2. Then b is how much? Who accompanies x is b. Here who accompanies x? 8. There is no x. Who is like that? Minus y. Okay. Then when we substitute these details in the formula, in this formula you have to substitute. This is an important formula. So x is equals minus b, that is minus 8 plus or minus root of b square 8 square minus 4. A is how much? It is 1 by 2. C is minus y divided by 2 times 1 by 2. I just applied these values in the formula. Wherever that particular alphabet comes, the particular value is substituted. Now time to simplify this. So x equals minus 8 plus or minus root of 64. This 2 can be simplified. 4 times 1 by 2 it is 2 only. 4 by 2 we make it, we simplify, and then plus this 2y divided by this 2 and 1 by 2 will get cancelled, that is 1. Okay, so we get x is equals minus 8 plus or minus root of 2y plus 64. Okay, this is the function. Okay, now we have to replace x as y and y as x, and then here what is it? Y is equals minus 8 plus or minus root of 2x plus 64, and this function is defined whenever this inside thing, whatever inside the square root, it is positive or 0. For what value of for what values of x this will become positive or 0, that we have to figure out. How means is defined for this 2x plus 64 should be greater than or equal to 0, and then this 2x is greater than or equals to minus 64, so x is greater than or equal to minus 32. Got it? How we got this minus 32? I transpose this 2, so it became minus 30. For those values only this is defined. Initially they gave x should be greater than or equal to 0, but the inverse function is defined for only these values. Got it? This may looks like a long turn, but this is the actual method. There is no shortcut for this. What I gave is a shortcut literally. Okay. And then shall we go to the next one? Have you done copying this? Then why don't you try yourself one? Easy one. See, the function is x square minus 6 it will not lead to that much complication. See, whenever these like two terms are there, then only it will be this much complication. Other times and all, it is easy only, like the previous question. Okay, can you say what is f inverse of x from this? Yes, y is equals 6 and then x equals x square is equals that and all don't want. See, told you no. This like two x terms is there only, it is difficult to find x. Here directly we are having x. X square is equals y plus 6. To find x, you have to take square root, that's all, simple. When you take square root of x, what you may get? Plus or minus square root of y plus 6. Okay, and this value is defined for whenever, we have to replace this, right? Then y is equals plus or minus square root of x plus 6. It is defined for that x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. So x should be greater than or equal to minus 6. That is it. Okay. Try the same way the other one. Simple question only. 4x whole square. Shall I erase these things? Shall I erase this? Have you done copying? You done with everything? All the formulas? Sure? So now look at this question. F of x is equals 4x whole square. Okay, what is the first step? Yes, y is equals. Okay. Next, the value of x has to be found. But the square is disturbing, right? To remove the square, what we can do? Square root on both sides. Then what we may get? It is plus or minus root y. Okay. And then what is the value of x from this? So, yes, 1 over 4 plus or minus root y. Okay, that means these two are in product. This we are supposed to write, this is plus or minus root y by 4, would be nice. Now replace x as y, y as x, then we may get y is equals to plus or minus root x by 4, y is nothing but f inverse of x, and it is defined for whatever inside the square root should be greater than or equal to 0. That is all, very simple. Now I want you to list out which are all the questions we should be doing in a way of the 16th one. Which are all the questions requires that one? You know, look at the 19th question. Easy, this way only. What? Same way, man. Simply x plus 2 will be there. Then square root of plus or minus square root of y. Here x plus 2 will be there. That plus 2 will be here. Plus or minus y minus 2. That's all. Okay. Likewise, 20th one. Same way, yes it is. Okay, the next one, finding the inverse of a cubic functions. That we'll see in the next session. Tomorrow shall we plan a session?